Okay, hello. I'm Liliana. I'm an English teacher. And today I'm going to talk about critical incidents during my practice. So, yes, I start tell you that when I was developing my English session, um, the session was developed through Skype in a virtual environment. I had two students, a girl and a boy. Uh, they have different levels of English. For example, the girl have a high level, a better level rather than the boy. And I noticed when I explain a topic, the girl understand everything, um, and her pronunciation are better than the boy. This situation could be an deficit or an issue, but in general, it's an opportunity to take advantage of the condition of the girl in order to help the boy in his pronunciation, and the girl could be help a boy in feel confident and gave him support, and it could be help me in the developing of the activities. Okay, that's my description then of the incident, an incident that occurs during my English session. Thank you very much.